Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this will be a review of my 2022 Mazda 3 Turbo Hatchback. This is my daily driver. I have installed the OEM front air dam, the OEM Mazda side skirts. It came with the black lug nuts. I added the rear diffuser OEM. The top spoiler is OEM, and it has two modifications this car does, one of which being the 80mm Corksport catback exhaust, and it sounds very good. I have the Corksport air intake with the surround. Not sure what they call that, unfortunately. I would like to add the back half of the intake. Back here, towards the back, they have another piece of the intake tube you can add. But other than that, it's pretty much stock for now. Future mods to come. This is just the turbo package, as I did not think the leather seats and the camera package was worth almost $3 to $5 grand extra. really enjoy this car. It's an awesome daily driver. I would recommend, if you're in the market for a four-door hatchback, to get this car. It has a lot of power when you want it, and it's all-wheel drive. It makes great fuel economy. We went to Utah in it. In one of the tanks, we got 40 miles a gallon. Not sure if that was because we were going up and down the Rocky Mountains. Might have helped, but I think this car will make mid to high 30s on the flat maybe, but it is a very reliable. The car is very smooth running down the highway, very quiet, even with the aftermarket Corksport 80mm exhaust. All in all, this is a very good purchase if you're looking for a five-door, or some people call it a four-door hatchback. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, as it would greatly be appreciated.